Some days are not dramatic. Nothing terrible happens. No crisis. No major conflict. No bad news. And yet, everything feels heavy. Simple tasks feel delayed. Small responsibilities feel bigger than they are. And by the end of the day, you feel mentally tired without understanding why. That experience is more common than people admit. The weight of small things. Most people think exhaustion only comes from major problems. It doesn't. A large part of mental fatigue comes from accumulation. Small unfinished tasks, constant decisions, interruptions, mental noise, emotional tension that never fully leaves. Each one seems small. Together, they overload attention. And overloaded attention changes how daily life feels. Why motivation drops? Motivation does not disappear randomly. It often drops when the brain perceives too many unresolved demands. Not only physical tasks, mental ones too. Things you need to answer. Things you should organize. Things you postponed. Things you are silently carrying. The mind reacts to unfinished load, and the result is resistance. You look at simple tasks and feel disproportionate difficulty, not because the task is impossible, because your internal load is already high. The mistake most people make. When this happens, many people wait. They wait to feel motivated again. But motivation rarely returns through waiting. It often returns through movement. Small movement. Very small movement. Because action reduces mental resistance. Thinking about a task increases weight. Starting reduces uncertainty. And uncertainty is often what drains energy. Technique 1. Reduce. The entry point. Do not think, I need to finish this. Think, I will begin for 5 minutes. The brain resists large effort. It tolerates small beginnings. And very often, beginning changes momentum. 5 minutes becomes 15. 15 becomes progress. Progress reduces pressure. Technique 2. Externalize mental load. Do not keep everything inside your head. Write it down. A simple list, not a perfect plan. Just visible mental unloading. When thoughts stay internal, they feel larger. When written, they become concrete. Concrete problems feel more manageable than vague. Mental pressure. Technique 3. Stop negotiating with every task. Many people lose energy negotiating internally, now or later. Should I do it? Maybe after this. Too many internal negotiations create fatigue. Choose one task. Start. Remove debate. That saves mental energy. Technique 4. Protect small wins. Do not underestimate small completion. A completed small action sends a strong signal. I can move that matters psychologically, because repeated unfinished days create helplessness. Repeated small completions rebuild agency, and agency strengthens motivation. The important truth. Some days will still feel difficult. Mental stability does not mean every day feels easy. It means you know how to keep moving without depending entirely on emotion. That changes everything. Closing. Daily life becomes heavier when mental load stays invisible. But small structure changes reduce invisible pressure. Not perfectly, but enough to restore movement. And often, movement is what motivation was waiting for.